Hi, I am Tess, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So tomorrow is my birthday, and my husband will treat me for a nice lunch to Southern Marin. So I'm going to make a vlog on that. But for now, we are here in a gas station trying to fill up some gas. And sorry I haven't uploaded much because I'm still working in our bathroom, and it took me a while to finally decide what kind of paint color I like in our bathroom. And also, if you want to check the RH restaurant in Yountville, you can check it out and see you when we get to the restaurant.
Forget about signs and rules, the payment and the long, long rows. And you're always in such a rush, with your life playing from the stereo. Together but all alone, and you're always staring at your phone. You need another quick relief. We all need a turning leaf. Oh baby, this time we'll be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long.
Hi, so we are home, but we're gonna have a little fun with Buddy. My husband, we're gonna open the door. And I'm gonna hide, see if he could find me. That's something he enjoys and something I enjoy doing with Buddy too. Play hide and seek. So, let's see. I'm gonna hide this in the corner. Oh, he didn't see me so easily this time. Hi, buddy. I miss you too. Sorry we can't bring you there. Hi. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.